In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download MP3 on YouTube Music. More exactly, how to use the official download feature for offline listening inside the YouTube Music app. First, open the YouTube Music app on your iPhone or Android. When the app loads, you will land on the Home tab with mixes and suggestions. If you see a prompt to update the app, let that finish first so the download feature works smoothly. You can always return to the Home tab from the bottom bar if you get lost. Now sign in to your YouTube Music Premium account. Tap your profile icon in the top right, then choose the option to sign in if you are not already. After you sign in with the Google account that has Premium, the app should show the word Premium under your profile. That small label confirms that downloads for offline listening are available on that account. Next, find the song, album, or playlist you want to save. You can use the search icon at the top and type the name of an artist, a track, or a playlist. As results appear, notice the small labels like song, album, or playlist under each title. Those labels help you check that you are choosing the right type of content for download. Tap into the exact song, album, or playlist so you see its dedicated page with artwork and the play button. Once you are on that page, tap the three dots icon and then tap download. The three dots sit near the title or next to a specific track and open a small menu when you tap them. In that menu, you will see download as one of the options. After you tap it, the app starts downloading in the background and a progress icon or a small check mark appears near the title. On a playlist or album, every track in that collection begins downloading, which might take longer on a slow connection. After the download finishes, find your downloaded music under Profile, then Downloads. Tap your profile icon in the top right and choose Downloads from the list. The download screen shows all the songs, albums, and playlists that are currently stored on your device for offline listening. You can tap any item here and it will play even when you set your phone to airplane mode. If something is missing, it usually means the earlier download did not complete and you should try again when your connection is stable. At this point, remember these downloads are not regular MP3 files you can move around. They stay inside the YouTube Music app and will not appear in other music players or on a USB drive. You also need to reconnect to the internet at least once every 30 days, so YouTube Music can refresh your licenses and keep those downloads active. So you have learned how to download songs, albums, and playlists in YouTube Music for offline listening with your premium account. If this helped you get your music ready for offline listening, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple guides like this.